What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. Our next WRX mod for the 2022 WRX is the top mount intercooler from Extreme Turbo Systems, ETS. A lot of you guys might be asking, why are we going top mount and not front mount? Well, there's not really much front mount out there right now, and you'd probably have to be able to tune it, and we're not there yet. So we're going top mount. Hopefully we're gonna bring IATs down by 5 to 10 degrees and just kind of optimize flow, if you will. So we got it right in here. Let's check it out. So we got normal good ETS packaging. Intercoolers are not the most durable items, so they got to put a lot of the packing tape, and they got the cardboard on here. Just pull it out. Definitely a little beefy. Curious to see how much it weighs pulling off the car. But this eliminates a lot of the plastic, right?
Yes.
So it's upside down right now. Turn it, and I believe it goes just like this. So not too much bigger as far as the actual like fin intake area, but I believe it's a lot thicker. Probably a good inch, almost thicker.
And it probably has more
channels, or
yeah.
So we'll see how it goes. We're doing this mod before the exhaust, so we can see if there's any noise changes, if there's any performance changes, etc., etc. Because you guys know that ETS Extreme, it's going to be awesome, but it's also going to be pretty tough to tell little slight differences with intake noises or any type of cooling and stuff like that. So we wanted to get this on for you guys. Not quite as popular right now as the intake, but you know, Tommy and Adrian already threw the bad boy intake on. Reuses the stock inlet area from the grill. Comes with a nice air box as long as you option it, which we highly recommend to avoid that heat soak, because I mean half the motor is right next to it. And then a couple couplers and plug in your MAF, and you're pretty much good to go. And you guys were able to do the intake install on the ground, right? Because these lifts weren't even set up yet. So there's like 3 or 4 different ways people are installing these. A lot of people are saying you got to throw them up in the air.
No, you can do it on the ground.
Yeah, you don't need to. So if you guys haven't watched that video where Tommy and Adrian installed this thing, would highly recommend it. There's been another YouTuber that's been talking about trimming any type of fender trim or something like that. You guys didn't trim anything either, so
no,
it wasn't a bad install.
Probably if he's having trouble, you do have to like kind of mock it up.
Okay.
And then the coupler turns a certain way to get it up.
So it's just the pivot of the coupler. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys are running into issues where you think you need to start cutting stuff or really doing above and beyond, just maybe relook the coupler or watch.
Watch the comment on the video and ask questions, because just getting that coupler right changes how it.
Yeah, don't fight it. I mean, ETS waited long enough to release this thing. They were making sure it wouldn't trip the check engine light. They were making sure it would fit right and making sure it would sound good. So trust ETS and a couple of the videos out there. If you're watching the video and it's not working for you, watch someone else's video. And at worst case, call us or call ETS. And we can probably help you all out, because you don't want to cut up a brand new car if you don't have to. All right, guys?
Don't cut nothing.
Yeah. All right. So pretty quick video. We'll be installing this bad Larry in the next video. But until next time, stay safe out there, and I will see you guys for the next video.